Hi, my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee, and you are viewing The How To Lady. We're going to make a Christmas bow. So, if you're interested, stay tuned, and we're going to show you how to make a Christmas bow as a topper for your Christmas tree. Stick around, and we're going to get this ball rolling and knock it out of the park. As indicated in the introduction, we're going to make a bow ribbon topper for our poinsettia Christmas tree. And these are the things that you'll need. You'll need some twisty ties. I hope you can see that. These are just twisty ties that you can get anywhere. Of course, you're gonna need a pair of scissors, and you'll need the bow that you desire to use for creating this tree topper. So stick around and we're going to show you how we do it. So the first thing you want to do is unravel your ribbon. And I'm going to use all of this because it's not a lot. And I want a really nice, healthy topper for my tree. Now, what I will do is take all of my ribbon and I am going to put it in a design that I think that's best suited what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to go back and forth, just folding it over itself like that. It's not going to be too big, but it's going to be big enough. And we're going to fold it over again. And we're using all of this ribbon that was on this spool. And we're going to fold it over again. And I think it's also important to let you know that using the ribbon that has the wire inside is the best type of ribbon to use, because this ribbon allows you to shape your bow in the way you need to shape it. All right, so we're going to fold it over again. And then we're going to come back again with another fold. And I think I'm going to leave this part hanging. So though this part is shorter, that kind of adds, I don't want it to be symmetrical, so that adds to the flair of it. So I'm gonna squeeze these ends together. Now some people cut in between these two ends so that they can get the twisty ties in between it, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna go take my twisty ties and I'm gonna flip it right over. I hope you can see that. And then I'm gonna push my bow forward. Then the back, I'm going to take the twisty tie and twist it around that folded piece. All right, I think we've got it tight enough. And then all you have to do is take each bow and pull it out. And I like to pull it out and make sure that I do an opposite end each time I pull one bow out. So let's pull this side out. Yeah, that's gonna be beautiful. Can you already see it? I do. Then we're gonna pull one out from this side. Yeah, that's gonna be really nice. Pull it out, out. And I didn't cut it for a couple of reasons. Because number one, I want to make sure that if I choose to use this ribbon again, and you can, and that's the cool thing about this ribbon that has the wire in it, you can use it again. So now pulling the other edges out. All right. Oh man, this is really coming out nicely already. All right, so I have a little centerpiece there, so I'm kind of maneuvering it where I got a little centerpiece, and I might use a smaller piece for the center. Let's see. No, I think I like that. Wow, this is gonna be great. Let's see. I'm gonna work with it here for a minute. right, now doesn't that look cute? I love it. So the scissors are needed so that you can cut a ribbon-shaped edge. So you fold your ribbon over like this. All right, and then you're gonna cut the ribbon on an angle, and that gives it that ribbon edge. See that? We're gonna do the other side. And so that this edge does not fray, we're going to take a lighter and we're going to burn those edges. We're going to burn the other side as well. And now we have a cute tree topper. Isn't that nice? So now we're gonna put it on the tree and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, my YouTube friends, we've got the ribbon topper atop the tree and it is absolutely amazing. I think it is just adorning the tree perfectly. This is a 6-foot tree. It is not very large. We wanted to put it in a small space, and so therefore we had to think wisely as we decided about the decorations and placement of the tree. So the topper has topped everything off. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about how we created this bow topper, please post those below. And happy holidays. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.